from my heart and from my hand. Why don't people understand my intention?
So, good morning. Not a very long posting today, just a quick update. We got a call from the body shop yesterday, and the mini shell is ready for collection. And obviously I've also got the final bill from the builder as well, and it was within budget. I fully expected it to be around about 5,000 euros for the welding, panels, and also some of the paint that was required, because we went for a two-tone paint scheme as well. So I'm pretty happy with that. We'll get that organized for collection in the next few days, and it will get a lot more interesting from this point on, because instead of taking things apart, we'll actually be rebuilding them and hopefully ending up with a nice example of a mini at the end of it. Now that I got the final bill from the builder, from the body shop, I've got a good estimation now on how much the total build has cost to this point. And if you recall from the beginning, I said I wanted to spend around about 10,000 euros, and that had to include a donor car, as well as the body shop work and some of the bits and pieces that I wanted to change on the car moving forward. I thought 10,000 euros was a reasonable price, a reasonable budget to get a nearly new classic mini, because you can actually buy some good value Japanese domestic imports for around about 10 to 12,000 pounds, so around about 13,000 euros. So to get to this point and have all of these invoices add up to 10,388 euros, around about 9,000 pounds, I think is still pretty good value. Now, I believe I've got everything that I need to reassemble the car. Obviously, I'm going to find small pieces, brackets or screws or cables that I overlooked, but the majority of the large purchases should be done now. So we're probably going to end up, I would say, just shy of 11,000 euros, 1,000 euros more than the original budget. But again, I think I'm going to come out with something that's, pretty outstanding. So we'll organize a pickup of the body in the next few days. We do have one major task still to do, and it's actually to change over the automatic gearbox. I've never done this before myself, so stay tuned, because it'll either be a complete disaster or absolutely informative. Not quite decided on which it'll be yet. We'll see what the outcome is. Yeah, so that's it for the moment. I'll post a couple of pictures from the body shop after I've finished this segment, and yeah, hope you stick around for the rest of the rebuild. One last thing before I go, the June giveaway. We'll make the draw for the winner on the last day of this month, so you've still got a couple of weeks to join if you haven't already done. Really appreciate all the support and messages that we've received over the course of these videos. It's going to get really interesting from this point on, as I mentioned earlier, because we're now moving to reassembly, not disassembly. So please like and subscribe, and look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.